Hotel Uptown, that's where we are going to stay for a few nights. This is the entrance of Hotel Down, the lobby. And Walter is checking in. What's welke nummer?
225.
Oh, this is our room. Wow, it's quite spacious. Here we have the city view, not the sea view. Oh, Mako. What is this? A gift? Gefeliciteerd! Yeah! Gefeliciteerd. Mooi. That's cool. Is it because of you or they gave? You told them.
You think they give her? Let's see if there's an echo.
Thank you, Poopy. Can you see the... So this is the bathroom. Oh, it's also very spacious. Good. The shower. And there is a bath. Nice and clean. This is their breakfast here in Hotel Uptown. And different kind of breads. Here also some breads and pastries. And there are some coffees on other tables. Here also. You can also sit outside to enjoy the sun. Life is better at the beach. And Walter